Meaning of intermingle.
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 Intermingle. The term intermingle refers to the act of mixing or blending two or more things together. It can be used to describe the coming together of different substances, ideas, or people in a way that results in them becoming thoroughly mixed or blended. For example, if you were to intermingle two different colors of paint, they would create a new and unique color that is a blend of both. Similarly, if people from different cultures intermingle, they share their beliefs, values, customs, and practices with each other, which can lead to cultural exchange and mutual understanding.